Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous class, we have seen how to define a list in Python. So I forgot to mention one thing here. So you might be thinking, are we allowed to store only similar data under a list? So that means we have a marks here. All the data elements that you see here are integers. Is that, we should use same data elements? No, it's not. There is no particular condition in Python. Okay, you can use any type of data under a single list. So let me show that example here. So let's say something like my list. Okay, so in this my list, I want to store the first element as my name. Okay, so maybe the second element maybe some phone number or some number. Okay, something like 23. Okay, and maybe after that I want to store my address, so from where I am, something like India, something like this. Okay, so even in this case also, in case if you want to access any data element, so we can use index means the position of that particular data element. So for example, I want to access this my country. So what is the index here? 0 1 2. So that's how you do it. So let me show that here as well. So my list of it has to be square brackets, my list of 2. So let's rerun this program and see here. So you got India as output. So there is one more beautiful thing in Python is we can use negative indexing as well. So that means so you see, you take the example of here the marks. Okay, so there are so many elements. So in this case we have only 5 or 6, but let's add a few more. Okay, so sometimes we may not know. Okay, we may not know how many elements are there, so we cannot manually sit and then count the numbers, right, to access the last elements. So further, to avoid that, we can use a negative indexing, so which is something like -1. So when you say marks of -1, it will give you the last element from the list. Okay, it will give you the last element from the list. So if you say -2, you will get the last buffer. So let's run this program and then see the output. So let's close this add and rerun the program. Oops.